Hi there, I'm Katie Sweeney and I'm going to show you how to make crostini with goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. This is a delicious appetizer and it can really be served any time of year. So we're going to start by putting a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. These were packed in olive oil and I just patted them dry when I removed them from the oil so we don't have that excess oil in with our goat cheese. So we got a 1/4 cup of our sun-dried tomatoes. Then we've got 4 ounces of herbed goat cheese. You can use whatever kind of goat cheese you feel like. I just thought I was in the mood for herbed goat cheese, so I decided to go with it. And this is 4 ounces. The key is to let it come to room temperature. It blends up really nice and easy. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of fresh basil. And you can use any herb you want, parsley or chives, but it's summer, so I'm using fresh basil. Let's season our mixture with a little salt and then we're gonna give it a whirl in the food processor. So our goat cheese mixture is nice and mixed, and I've got some little crostini that I already toasted up. I drizzled these with olive oil and a little salt and pepper, and I popped them in the oven for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to spread them with our goat cheese mixture. Our goat cheese and sun-dried tomato appetizers are almost ready to go under the broiler. We're just gonna drizzle them with a teeny bit of olive oil. Just a few drops on each one. I know that this is tedious, but trust me, it makes a difference in the final product. When we're done with this, we're gonna pop it into the broiler for about, depending really on your broiler, for anywhere from 2 to 6 minutes. It depends on how close you put the crostini to the top of the broiler. Ours is probably going to take about 5 minutes. So, cheers. I've just pulled our sun-dried tomato and goat cheese crostini from the broiler, and let me tell you, they smell amazing. They also look amazing, and I'm pretty sure they taste amazing too. There's only one way for you to try them. Make them yourself. I'm Katie Sweeney. Thanks for watching me. To get more of my delicious goods, check out my website at 6twists.wordpress.com. Thanks.